Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 7.4 question number 7. Find answers to the following. Write and indicate how you solved them. Question number A is is 5 by 9 equal to 4 by 5? The question number A is 5 by 9 and 4 by 5 equal. Here in this case you see that the numerator is different and denominator is also different. That means these are unlike fractions. We have to make them like fractions by changing the denominator same, right? That means you have to first take the LCM of 9 and 5. Take the LCM of 9 and 5, right? That is 9 and 5. You're getting it will divide by 1 only. 9, 5. Therefore LCM is 45. LCM is equal to 45. We will convert the denominator same, right? That means 5 by 9. If we 5 by 9, that is 9 will be multiplied by 5 to get 45. And it will also, the numerator is also multiplied by 5. That is 5 5 is 25. 5 5 is 25. And 5 9 is 45. 5 9 is 45. Right? There, and question number 2 is 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Right? You have to make LCM denominator 45. That means you have to multiply this 5 with 9. Then you have to multiply 4 with 9 also. Right? That is 4 9 is 36. 4 9 is 36. And 5 9 is 45. In this case, you see both the denominator are same, right? 45 45. And one is 25, one is 36. That means we can say that 4 by 5 is greater than 5 by 9, right? 4 by 5 is greater than 5 by 9, or 5 by 9 is less than 4 by 5. Is 5 by 9 equal to 4 by 5? The answer will be no. The answer will be no. 5 by 9 is not equal to 4 by 5. Right? This is the solution of question number A. Next one, we'll solve question number B. In the same way, we'll solve this problem. That is question number B. Question number B is 9 by 16 equal to 5 by 9. 5 by 9. First of all, we find the LCM of 16 and 9. Find the LCM of 16 and 9. It will be divided by 1 only, that is 16 and 9, right? Therefore LCM is equal to 16 into 9. 16 into 9. That is 16, 9, 6, 9 is 54, 5, 4, 9 is 9, 5, 4, 144. That is 144. LCM is 144. That means it is 9 by 16. 9 by 16. Then 16 will be multiplied with 9 to get 144. And to multiply this 9 with numerator also by 9, that means you are getting 9 is 81 and 16 is 144. 144. We will solve 5 by 9. You have to make the denominator same. 5 by 9. You have to multiply 9 with 16. You have to multiply 5 also with 16. Right? That means you are getting 144. Here you see the denominator is same. 144 and 16 5 here. 5 is 30. 5 is 5 plus 3 8. 80. This is 80. Right? That means here you see both the denominator is same. Therefore 81 by 144 is greater than 80 by 144. Therefore you can say that 9 by 16 is greater than 5 by 9. 5 by 9. Okay. Is 9 by 16 equal to 5 by 9? The answer is no. The answer is no. 9 by 16 is not equal to 5 by 9. To 5 by 9. Next, we'll solve question number C. Question number C is, here you see, what is question number C? Question number C is 4 by 5, 4 by 5 equal to 16 by 20. 16 by 20. Let us find first the LCM of 5 and 20. We are finding the LCM of 5 and 20. 5 1 is 5, 5 4 is 20. Right? Therefore, LCM we are finding is equal to 20. We will make the denominator same. That means 4 by 5. 4 by 5. You have to multiply 5 with 4. That means you have to multiply also the numerator with 4. That is 4 4 is 16 and 4 5 is 20. The next one is 16 by 20. 16 by 20. LCM is 20. That means you have to multiply 20 with 1 and 16 into 1 also. That is you are getting in this way. That is 16 by 1. 16 by 20. In both the cases, see this is 16 by 20, right? That means these are equal, right? Or you can change into the lowest form, right? That is simplest form. That is 16 by 20. You can change. You cut it by 4. That is 4 4 just 16 and 4 5 just 20. In this way, you also find that it is 4 by 5. That means they both are equal, right? Therefore, question number C is yes. 4 by 5 is equal to 16 by 20. Right? Now we solve question number D. What is question number D? You see, question number D is question number D is 1 by 15 equal to 4 by 30. 4 by 30. Either you have to make the denominator same or you can change into the simplest form. If I write the simplest form, that is 2 2 is 4 and 2 15 is 30. Right? It is 1 by 15, it is 2 by 15. Therefore, we can write that 1 by 15 is less than 2 by 15 or 4 by 30. 4 by 30. Therefore, the question is 1 by 15 equal to 4 by 30? No. 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 1 by 15 is not equal to 4 by 30. Either you have to change it into simplest form, or you can make the denominator same, right? We are changing, we are trying to make the denominator same. It is 4 by 30, right? Here you see that is the LCM of 15 and 30 is 30. Here it is 15, here it is 30. LCM divided by 3, 3 5 is 15, and 3 10 is 30. Again by 5, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. Therefore LCM is equal to, how do you 15 to 30. 30 is the LCM, right? In this way you can find also, it is 1 by 15. 1 by 15 to multiply with 2 to get 30. 2, that means you have to multiply the numerator by 2 also. That is 2 by 50, 2 by 30, right? And it is 4 by 30. And the next one is 4 by 30. 4 by 30, the next number. Therefore 4 by 30 is greater than 1 by 15, right? That is 2 by 30 is 4 by 30. Therefore you can say that 1 by 15 is less than 4 by 30. In this way you can solve the problem. In both the method, there are two methods. You have to make the denominator same, or you can find by you change this into simplest form and you'll get the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.